So I kind of mentioned some of these. So, just a few tidbits or, that we see a lot that seems to work. I mean, let people know same day service 24/7. I mean, a lot of these are pretty common. You guys might already be implementing these, but we still come across actually sites all the time that don't. So, free estimates, if you do that, satisfaction guaranteed. It's a big one. I mean, everybody wants to know that, you'll continue working with them until they're completely satisfied. And, do you have certified techs on staff? I'm sure most of you do. But, people want to know that the people that are coming into their house or business, know what they're doing and can get the job done right. And so this is just a quick example. I'll show you guys this a little bit earlier, that again, if we want to take a 30,000-foot view, your problem is our priority, is what you want to let the prospect know. Like, let them know, yes, we're going to handle it. We're going to be there 24/7 rapid response. We got friendly communication. We got affordable prices, hassle-free insurance claims, free estimates. We're licensed, bonded, insured, no problem. Family owned and operated, and we have 100% satisfaction guaranteed. You can tweak these as needed, obviously. But just things to keep in mind, and make sure that these are easily visible on your site. As you make adjustments, and you can always add and tweak that. Like I said, I keep mentioning specific to your business. And make sure you're real and authentic. This is probably one of the biggest things I come across when I'm analyzing websites, is real images of the team or the owner on the site. It just, the stock, and I understand, right, so sometimes you have to use stock photos when time is of the essence and you're getting the photos done right. You're in the process of getting some branding, you branded trucks, I get that. But ultimately, you want to have team photos of the actual workers, and there's a level of connection there that people are like, oh, okay, these are real people, real company that are going to come into my home and dry out my house, whatever it may be. So this is a huge one. And if you're still a smaller company and, you only have, just one truck and it's only two of you, make it be a picture and you're the owner. I mean, even a picture of yourself or a quick video just saying, hey, Bob, I'm the owner of 24/7 Dry, etc. You guys get the point. Even an iPhone video will go take you a long way on, just because people can relate and they just see you're a real person. And when you're the one answering the phone, they're like, oh yeah, I recognize that voice, and just watch the video. There's just a level of connection there that helps ultimately in the conversion of the website. So just definitely keep that in mind, even for your homepage and your About Us page. A little bio and all that kind of stuff helps go a long way as well. And then when possible, like that site I showed you, if you can afford it, if you're a larger company and you have the capabilities, take some quick videos of the truck driving down the street, some of your guys maybe using the equipment, talking to customers. Y'all saw that example. I mean, that's pretty powerful. And it definitely it catches your attention, right? It's because it's auto plays on the website, so it's like, oh wow, this is cool, and then you naturally just want to sit there and watch it for a minute. And then you can even take it a step further and then have a mold removal video in your mold removal page, water damage video in a water damage page, and stuff like that if you want to really take it to the next level. And that'll help. Some people might prefer to read the text, but some people just want to click a video and sit there and watch, right? I mean, think about, we all YouTube, for example, instead of reading blog posts, people are going to YouTube to watch a quick video. So video is becoming more and more powerful, we're seeing. So just keep that in mind for your sites. And then, the social proof. Make sure those are on, you can have a separate reviews page or testimonials page, which is good, but also make sure those are on. You can even have them on every page on your site. Make sure they're on the home page, and make sure they're real reviews from customers that you've helped. And you want to pull those in just because people want to see other satisfied clients that you've helped, at some point, in their service area. Hope you got value out of that video. If you're looking for more ideas and strategies for better ways to market your water, mold, or fire damage restoration business online, you can go to restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there we have a free checklist you can download. It's called the Ultimate Online Marketing Guide for Damage Restoration Contractors. And there you'll be able to get the latest strategies that are working now to really increase your lead flow online. You could probably even 5 to 10x the number of leads you're getting per month from internet marketing. So there should be a link below, restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there you can download the checklist for free of charge. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.